Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur and welcome to this month's Recipe for Success. This month we have a special guest, Sue Rumsey from D&H Balloon Bouquets. Hi Susie, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Gil?
Awesome, awesome.
Good.
So as you know, we're going to ask 3 questions, right? And find out a little bit more about your business. Question number 1. What companies or events does D&H specialize in, and how much notice do they need for an event?
D&H Balloon Bouquets specializes in a lot of corporate events, such as Canadian Tire. I do a lot of school graduations. I do many events for the Scotiabank Convention Center, but I also do birthdays, anniversaries, baby showers, whatever event you have.
That's nice. And how long do they need notice?
You know what? A couple of weeks notice would be great because I work from home. I don't carry a lot of stock at home. So to ensure that I can order the balloons for you, a couple weeks, but I always do get that last minute that I can still do.
Okay, great. Great answer. Question number 2. D&H. Where does D&H come from?
D&H came from my kids, Dylan and Haley, and I literally just picked a name, it stuck, and it's been over 10 years, and yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. 10 years. Wow, that's a long time in business. Question number 3. Why you? Why should our clients or customers choose D&H for their needs?
Why not me? Everyone loves balloons. I create unique balloon displays that you can't get at your local dollar store. It makes everybody happy, and most of all, I deliver. So you can't find that too often.
Yeah, that's good. Deliver to your event. That's awesome that you do that.
Yeah.
Great. So as you know, each month we do a draw of all the people that shared our stuff on Facebook. What do we have as a gift for this month?
Well, this month I have partnered with the CEBL Niagara River Lions Basketball League, and I have 4 premium seat tickets for one of their games.
That's awesome. Great. And also, Strata West gift card to go along with it. Be a great night out for everybody. Okay, let's see who the winner is.
Okay.
Do you have your glasses on?
I don't have my glasses on, but we'll see if I need them. Tony Nault.
And the winner is Tony Nault. Congratulations, Tony. Thanks, everybody, for sharing our stuff. Thanks, Susie. Thanks for being our guest this month.
Thank you.
We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.